Hello, check. Hello, check. Good morning to D2D News.
Main headlines: Maharashtra and Haryana will vote for the next government on October 15. Results will be declared on October 19.
AC attacks on two girls outside college in Tamil Nadu.
Microsoft to phase out Nokia name from its products. Sports: former F1 champion Schumacher leaves hospital for home.
Sanya to play Asian Games, AITA. Serbia takes 2-0 leads versus India on day 1.
Now, news in details. Maharashtra and Haryana will vote for the next government on October 15.
Results will be declared on October 19.
The Election Commission has announced the dates of Maharashtra and Haryana Assembly elections on Friday. The Chief Election Commissioner B.S. Sampath announced the dates in New Delhi.
The two states will go to the polls on October 15 and the counting of votes will take place on October 19. To give us more information about this, our reporter Gaurav Jangare will join us from New Delhi. Over to Gaurav.
The Election Commission has announced the date of Maharashtra and Haryana Electoral Assembly polls. They will go to polls on October 19 and the result will come in 19. The last date for nomination will be held on September 29 and the last date for withdrawal of nomination will be on October 1. With the cameraman K. Vishek, Gaurav Jangare, DTD News, New Delhi. Thank you.
Moving on, accident attack on two girls outside college in Tamil Nadu. Two first-year degree students at the Government Arts College in Tirumangalam in the Madurai district of Tamil Nadu sustained injuries when an unidentified man threw acid at them on Friday.
Police said the two girls identified as Meena and Ishwari, both aged 18 years old from Tirumangalam itself. Primary investigation is going on and the report will be submitted on Monday.
We have our reporter Pooja Trivedi from Tamil Nadu. Pooja, the girls were attacked very brutally on the Tamil Nadu and no one could recognize them. Pooja, can you hear me? Hello Pooja. Tell me the details, Pooja.
Two first year students attacked by an unidentified person in front of Government Arts College, Tiruvangalam. Doctor said that they were recovered in critical stage. With cameraman Sandeep Kumar, Pooja Trivedi, DTD News, Tamil Nadu.
Now moving on to business news. Microsoft to phase out Nokia names from its products. Earlier revealed plans of Microsoft phasing out the Nokia name in its mobile products are now backed with a new leaked internal documents that says upcoming Nokia Lumia devices will soon be branded as just Lumia.
With the deal, Microsoft has planned to use Nokia to continue promoting its Windows Phone mobile operating system and to move forward its transformation into devices and services company.
Sports. Former F1 champion Schumacher leaves hospital for home. Michael Schumacher has left hospital to continue his recovery at home after his accident last year.
Now it's time to know about the weather conditions of the country. Over to Archana in Delhi studio.
Good morning. I'm Archana back with the weather report. Cloudy weather in North India and Delhi raises hope of the people for more rains. Windy weather wind towards north, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, and gives the warm weather. And here we go with the temperature is constant. In Mumbai it is maximum 35 degrees centigrade with a 23 degree of minimum. And in Hyderabad it is 37 degrees centigrade of maximum and 22 degrees Celsius of minimum. And in Chennai it is 34 degrees Celsius of the maximum and 24 degrees Celsius in the minimum. And here we go with the southern with the Bangalore, it is 35 degrees Celsius in maximum and 19 degrees Celsius in minimum. And thank you. Stay tuned. And here we go with the 25 rapid.
Quick wrap around today's headlines. Maharashtra and Haryana will vote for their next government on October 15th. Results will be declared on October 19th. Acids attack on two girls outside college in Tamil Nadu. Microsoft to phase out Nokia names from its products.
Police scams. Kamalnath claims Manmohan says that despite with the ex-PM inactions, Yuvraj seems to compare for the BJP in Haryana assembly elections. Malala Yousafzai the attack arrested, said the Pakistan army. Delhi Metro had this for the Kashmir force, wisdom returning city. Break down the communication in Jammu and Kashmir at insult is injury.
Now in science, scientists invent device that detected anemia in 60 seconds. NASA on its spacecraft set 4th December flight. First swimming dinosaur found, it was bigger than T-Rex. 3D printed Vicky house $50,000 house can be now downloaded from the internet.
World news. US state of still on resume Ukraine. Former Northern Ireland First Minister and President died aged 88.
Now in business. Sensex of 27,000 and Nifty is stable at 8,100 and 300 crores rupees was issued for tourism infrastructure repairment in Jammu and Kashmir.